So I'm going to be walking through each one of the assignments for Access, and that way you can follow along and do them. And then after we're finished with those, then I'm going to give you a database to develop, and you should be able to do it without any problems. Since the textbook never has you actually create a database, it's very odd. Anyway, Chapter 1 is what we're working on right now. So start Access, here we are. And then open the downloaded files. And I usually save them to my desktop so that they're easy to find. Now that that's open, open the speakers table in Datasheet view. That's the default view. There we go. Use search to locate the speaker with P014. So I can go into Find and I can say P014 and find next, and it found it. And then it says to change Mary to M-I-R-I-J-A-N-A. And we're going to change the last name from Miller to H-I-N-E-K. Sort the table in ascending order by speaker ID. So we're going to click here and then ascending. You can also, as an FYI, click here in smallest to largest, but it wants you to do it this way. And then it says save and close the table. So close, and we're saving it. Open the speaker session query. Speaker session query. There we are. Oh, nope, that's not it. You have to click on queries to open it. And session query. And apply a filter to identify the sessions for which Cynthia Ashley, okay, sort of Ashley, and Holly Davis are speaking. So we want to go in, and it says hint, filter by form and or tab. So we're going to go into advanced filter and go to filter by form. And first we want Cynthia, I'm still going to say Ashley, and first name Cynthia, and then we have click on or. Let me make my phone quiet. There we go. And then we're going to add Davis and Holly. So we've done that. Sort the filtered results in ascending order by the ID tab. Okay, so we come back here. Come on. And we click on Apply Filter. And we're good to go. It says Ascending Order. So we'll click on Ascending so we have that in place. Then save and close the query. And we're good there. Open the Sessions form and add a new session. So Form, Sessions form, and we're going to add a record. Notice it automatically takes us to the last record. The session ID will automatically add, so we don't need to put that there. University Collaboration, Room ID 104, date 11/28/2017, and starting time 02:00 p.m. Save and close the report or the form, and it'll automatically save when I close it. So I can always come up here and I can look at sessions and I'll see that it's automatically been added. Now open the speaker, no, just did that one. Open the speaker sessions table. and enter a new blank record using the ID. So I'm going to come here. And it's going to be 010 for the speaker ID, and the session ID is 09. Sort the table by speaker ID, and we're going to do descending order. And then save the changes and close the table. Now we're going to open the master list report. We're on number 7. And double click. That opens it into print preview. You can see that because it comes up here with print preview. And we're going to change the margins to wide. And then we can close print preview. Number 8, switch to report view. Well, that means we have to reopen it. But once we've done that, we can go ahead and right click and click report view. And in that case, it says apply a filter that limits the report to sessions in room 101. Well, the easiest way to do that is to right click and equals, if you're on the room, you have to click on 101 and then equals 101. And then save the filter and close. Then close all database objects and close the database and exit database. So we close that. And then I can come into the assignment. I can submit for grading. Then I can go in and see how I did. What I want you to see is how to drill down. So you have the assignment submitted, and I think you have a different path for doing this, but you can click on View Grade and Submission. And it will give you the details. So you can see that it didn't like how I filtered results in ascending order. Although I think it's because I clicked on showing you the other way to do it. Regardless, 95 works. If I were you, I wouldn't waste my time going in and fixing it. It doesn't matter. But if you did want to, then you would go in and drill down, or you can go in and look at the marked up report, and you can see here where it is, and drill into this and see specifically what item was incorrect and go back and do it. But realistically, don't waste your time. As long as you have that general understanding, you're good to go.